Miss Madhupuri, I love to keep my hands dirty, but my mother, she is always scolding me. You have dirty hands, go and wash your hands, oh my god.
Don't worry, Miss Fleming. I'm sure Miss Kaur will teach us some creative ideas by dirtying our hands.
Do you all want to join the activity? Yes. Come along. We just need A4 size paper, your bare hands, non-toxic paints and a sketch pen. We are going to do fingerprinting. Fingerprinting was invented in the country of Tokyo. Fingerprinting was basically used for identification purposes. Even today, the people who cannot read use fingers. Actually, they use their thumbs for doing the signature because the fingerprint of every person is different. Let's get started for this activity. Before starting this activity, I want to ask you all a question. The answer of this question, you are going to give it in the comment section below. So the question today is, which is the country where fingerprint was invented? Again, which is the country where fingerprinting was invented? Let's get started. Children, before starting, tell me one thing. Do you love going to a park? Which is the first beautiful thing which you like seeing in the park? Any guesses? Anybody? Yes, it's a beautiful flower. The flowers are of many colors. Red, yellow, pink, orange. They are of various colors. I am going to use my favorite yellow color to make a beautiful flower for you all. But we are only going to use our thumb. We'll dip the thumb in the paint, scrap off the excess paint, just print it on the paper. We'll take a little more paint. Wow! You can make as many petals of this flower as you want. I have made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 petals. You can make 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now after making these petals, we are going to draw a big circle in the center. And then we are going to outline these beautiful petals. Wow! Isn't it very easy? You can use whichever color you want. You can use a red color, you can use a pink color, you can use an orange color, and your flower is ready. Now I'll teach you how to make a butterfly. The butterfly is also of many colors. Red, yellow, blue, orange. My favorite color is yellow. So I'll be making butterfly using yellow color. You can use your fingers also. You can use your thumb also. Dip your finger in the color. First we'll make the body of the butterfly. Big body. Then small little wings. A butterfly has 4 wings. The butterfly flies using those wings. Yes. You can make your hands as much dirty as you want. Mama won't scold you. Tell her I'm making a masterpiece. Then after this dries, we are going to make the outline of the butterfly. Yes, first the wings, then we come to the body. After this dries, children, otherwise the color will stick. Then we'll make the beautiful antenna of the butterfly. After it dries away, you can also draw the eyes and the nose, but once it dries away. Now after the butterfly, which is another important creature, one hint, it is butterfly's baby and it goes to eat the leaves. Any guesses? Yes, it's a caterpillar. The caterpillar has a huge body. So we are going to use our thumb. First we are going to make the face of the caterpillar, then its body. One round. Dip your hand, make them dirty. Another round. One more. One more. Another one. You can make as many rounds as you want. And here's our caterpillar. Now we are going to let it dry. Children, you'll have to let it dry, otherwise your sketch pen will become sticky. Let it dry for 2 minutes. Let it dry, and then we are going to outline this caterpillar. We let it dry for 2 minutes. You all know a butterfly eats the leaves of the flowers and the tree. Children, we'll wait for it to dry, and then we are going to make the outline of the caterpillar. One round, another round, third one, fourth round, fifth round, sixth round, and the seventh round. You can make 8, 9, 10, 11, whichever number you want. Then we are going to make 2 beautiful antennas of the caterpillar, because the mama of the caterpillar, that's your butterfly, she also has antenna, no? So our caterpillar also has antenna. Then we are going to make 2 little eyes and a smiling face, because the children are always happy. You all are happy in making your hands dirty, no? Children, now next insect you all have seen in your house also. Any guesses? Okay, one hint. When we keep our house dirty, we don't wipe the house, we don't clean the house, we leave it like this. Which is that one insect that makes its web there? Kaun sa hai? Yes, it's a spider. Now we are going to make a spider. You have to use your thumb, dip it in the paint. Use as much paint you want, use whichever color you want. Dip it, then draw a big circle. Circle, oval, whichever shape you want. Yes. Then take your sketch pen. Let it dry, children. Once again, let all your pictures dry and then use your sketch pen. Make a round outside the body. Then we are going to draw the antennas which the spider has. Then we are going to draw the moustache of the spider. Yes. Now we are going to draw 2 eyes and a smiling face on the spider. It is smiling all the time. So this is our easy breezy spider. Now go to that end of the park where there is a beautiful pond, and in that pond there are many fishes. You all like fishes? Yes. Now we are going to make fishes using our fingers. First we'll make a small fish and then we'll make a big fish. To make a small fish, take your thumb, dip it in the paint, make a big oval. Make a big oval. Yes, you can make it of any design you want. Now once our fish is dry, we are going to draw the outline of the fish, of our small little fish. We are going to draw the tail of our fish. Then we are going to draw tiny little hands of our fish, using which the fish can swim. One eye and a cute little So here is our small little fish. Now we'll make a big fish near this fish. Because the baby fish lives with the mama fish, no? Now we are going to use one thumb. Make it a cute little oval. You can also use your fingers, children, if you want. And another oval. Two tiny little ovals for the big fish. Okay. Now once it dries, we are going to make the outline of this fish. We are going to make a big tail. Now we are going to draw eyes and cute little smile along with the fins. We are also going to draw the plates on the fish. So yay, our fish is ready. These were some cute little creatures which we found in a park.
I hope you all like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button.
If you want to see more such videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.
And don't forget to hit the bell icon for instant updates on our channel. Bye!
Children, can you see these wonderful gifts near me? These gifts can be yours. You only have to show us your active participation through liking, subscribing and commenting on our videos. We'll send these goodies to your school